Everyone is afraid of which jobs AI will eliminate. But the real question should be which jobs will survive and even increase their pay in the age of AI. The World Economic Forum's 2025 report paints a clear picture. 92 million jobs will be lost by 2030, but 170 million new jobs will be created. A net gain of 78 million jobs. So the question isn't, are there jobs, but which jobs? The common characteristic of jobs easily devoured by AI is clear. Repetitive, digital, rule-bound, easily controllable tasks. Data entry, simple customer service, standard accounting records, sales over the phone, these are at risk. But where AI struggles is the opposite. Jobs requiring trust, physical contact, accountability, and complex human decision-making. A concrete example, lawyering. Analyses show that the legal profession scored 100 out of 100 for AI resilience, with only a 29% chance of automation. The reason is simple. AI can draft a contract for you, but it cannot bear the responsibility for that decision in court. The signature and accountability are still handled by a human. The same pattern exists in the healthcare sector. Employment of nurse practitioners is projected to grow by 52% by 2033, well above average. AI can analyze diagnostic data, but holding a patient's hand and delivering bad news is still a human's job. A similar safety net exists in construction and craft professions, because these jobs require split-second decisions in unpredictable physical environments. A robot works perfectly in a standard factory, but replacing a skilled worker on a chaotic construction site, facing a different problem every day, is much more difficult. Now let's get to the real financial data, because here's the real money. According to PwC research, employees who effectively utilize AI earn 56% higher salaries than those who don't. So instead of fearing AI, someone who learns to use it correctly actually gains a salary advantage, rather than losing their job. The common denominator is this: AI is taking over the information processing job, but it's not yet taking over the taking responsibility, building trust, and making decisions in physical, unpredictable environments. By 2030, 39% of occupational skills are expected to change, meaning even if the job title remains the same, its content will change. In conclusion, the question, is this job secure, is the wrong question. The right question is, how much of this job is predictable, repetitive? How much requires accountability, trust, and human interaction? If the answer is closer to the latter, then that job is secure in the short term. And for someone using AI as a tool, it comes with a salary advantage.